Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all will be good and fantastic. آج کی اس ویڈیو میں میں آپ کو سکھانے جا رہا ہوں انگلش بول چال کے 20 بیسک انگلش phrases اور انگلش sentences. So let's get started our today's lesson. مجھے ایسا نہیں لگتا. I don't think so. I don't think so. اس بارے میں سوچو. Think about this. Think about this. مجھے احساس ہو گیا ہے. I have realized. I have realized. وہ جانے والا تھا. He was about to leave. He was about to leave. میں تمہارے ساتھ جاؤں گا. I shall accompany you. I shall accompany you. وہ سڑک کے پار کھڑا تھا. He was standing across the road. He was standing across the road. قاسم بہت پرتیلا ہے. قاسم is very active. قاسم is very active. مجھے اپنا پتہ بتاؤ. Tell me your address please. مجھے اپنا پتہ بتاؤ. Tell me your address. یہ عمارت قابل تعریف ہے. This building is admirable. This building is admirable. احمد ایک وکیل ہے. احمد is an advocate. احمد is an advocate. جیسے آپ کی مرضی. As you wish. جیسے آپ کی مرضی. As you wish. آپ کی اطلاع کے لیے عرض ہے. For your kind information. For your kind information. جو کرنا ہے کر لو. Do whatever you want to. Do whatever you want to. میرا راستہ چھوڑو. Leave my way. میرا راستہ چھوڑو. Leave my way. Leave my way. ایک طرف ہو جاؤ. Take a side please. ایک طرف ہو جاؤ. Take a side. اسے دوبارہ کرو. Do it again. Do it again. وہ ایک عمر رسیدہ خاتون ہے. She is an aged woman. وہ ایک عمر رسیدہ خاتون ہے. She is an aged woman. He is an aged man. وہ ایک عمر رسیدہ آدمی ہے. غصہ مت کرو. Don't be aggressive. Don't be aggressive. وہ ابھی تک زندہ ہے. He is still alive. He is still alive. یہ کمرہ بہت ہوادار ہے. This room is very airy. This room is very airy. ہمیں ہوشیار رہنا چاہیے. We should be alert. We should be alert. We should be alert. میں پہلے سے جانتا تھا. I already knew it. I already knew it. ہمیشہ خوش رہو. Always be happy. Always be happy. Always be happy. Always be happy. If you people new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new upcoming updates. And also like, share and comments on my video. Stay tuned and bye for today.